Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Cuddle, and in this video I'm going to go into a little more detail into one of my previous videos where I had an advanced staff tutorial where you're taking the staff and you're spinning it behind the back and around the body. So it's basically one particular area I received a question about, so I want to go into a little more detail on that. If you haven't seen the original video, check up above. One of these sides, I will post a link to it and you can actually just watch the full tutorial. Otherwise, this is just going to go into a very specific part in the video, and that's the transfer behind the back. So what I would actually suggest is taking your staff and then putting it behind your back. This is actually going to be your starting position on this one. Now, my thumb is up in this hand. I'm totally grabbing onto it. And what I'm going to do is transfer by grabbing with my other hand underneath. So my hand already behind the back will stay up above. The other hand is going to grab underneath. Both of them are thumb up. Now, once I let go with my right hand, I'm going to take my left hand and I'm going to let the tip of the staff come down. So I want to try to turn the staff over so it's upside down. And then I'm going to reach out and point to the side. Okay? This all happens with my left hand. So from thumb up, I'm going to turn thumb down. Now, my hand cannot just turn in the same axis behind my back. So there's going to be some manipulation to get it to go around. It should not feel uncomfortable here. This should still feel flexible as you do this. Okay? So now notice like my palm is pointing towards the side. From this position, I'm just going to hold my hand out. So again, go from here where you bring it up, and then the hand is going to come out. Okay? So, starting position here, grab underneath, and then as it comes down, I'm going to point out. Now right here, if this is where the issue is, bringing it from this side, bring it straight up in front of you, and then the butt end is going to come up so they have it straight up and down. Tilt back so that the tip goes behind your back, and then the butt end is actually going to come back in front of the body. Okay? So again, going from our original position, I come up from underneath, let go, turn, so straight down, point out to the side. Keep that point going, and it's going to go behind my back again. The pinky side is going to actually bring that across. And then this is where it resets. I transfer back into the other hand. So again, from here, top hand, my bottom hand is going to come in. I'll let go. Turn it over, point, bring it behind my back, and then the pinky end is going to come across the face. Okay? So again, from here, nice and easy, behind the back, pinky end is going to lead as I come across the face. Again, all of this, once you stop here, this is going to go behind the back, the pinky end or the bottom end of the staff is going to go in front of the face, and then that's where the transfer is again. Now from this side, just in case you didn't see or you couldn't tell, from behind the back, I'm going to turn it over, extend out, and then it goes behind my body. Then the bottom end of the staff is going to go in front of the body. Okay? I'm going to continue the motion, so it has to go up and over. I can't go sideways. I have to let the tip of the staff drop behind my back more. At this point, I can't go any further, and that's when I'm going to turn my body to bring it around. Okay? So a little more detail on just that part of the around the body advanced spinning technique in my other video. So if you have any questions on anything, just go ahead and leave a comment in the videos or even send me a message. You can message me on Facebook, you can message me here on YouTube, you can message me on Instagram, on Tumblr, on Patreon, and I will get to making a video to answer and address your question as soon as possible, if I can't help you just by typing it out. So again, this came from a comment. Somebody was having a problem with just a specific part, and I just wanted to go over that in a little more detail, and hopefully this helps. If not, go ahead and send me another message and I'll see what I can do about that. Otherwise, be sure to hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and check out every other social media that I'm on. Till next time, this is Sifu Cuddle.
Bam! Fist with a forearm.